Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a green screen in your CapCut app. If you enjoy video editing or creating content, this is a must-know trick. It's a very simple process and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you've already downloaded the CapCut app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, you can see the new project button at the top. Tap on it. Now you can select the video you want to use as your main footage. So this will be the background where the green screen effect will be applied. So I've downloaded a non-copyright video from YouTube. So I'll add that, select the video and tap on add button. Now your video is imported to your CapCut project. Next up, we need to add the video with the green screen. To do this, you need to add an overlay. Here you can see the overlay option at the bottom. Tap on it. Again select add overlay. Now select the video with the green screen, tap on add. Now adjust the size and position of the green screen video so that it fits perfectly over your video. As you can see, there are birds flying in the green screen. So to remove this green screen, we'll use the chroma key effect. So tap on the green screen video, then scroll through the options. And here you can see the option remove BG, means remove background. So tap on it and choose chroma key option. Now select the green color in your video, select the intensity, you can adjust its shadow. Once you're satisfied with the effect, tap on the check mark and now we can play the video. And there you can see the birds flying. That's how you can add the green screen in CapCut. Once you're happy with your project, you can save it to your device. So you've successfully learned how to add a green screen in CapCut app on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.